Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Daisy Mama Kitchen. So today I'm going to make drumstick sambar. It's too easy to make and it will be too tasteful. So you can eat this sambar with rice or ragi mudde. So let's see how to make it. So here I am going to take the ingredients. You can note it. Here I am taking 2 tablespoons of mustard, 1 tablespoons of cumin seeds and 15 to 20 curry leaves, little bit of coriander leaves, 4 red chilies, dried red chilies, and here I took 2 carrots which I cutted it properly, and here I am taking drumsticks, and then here you should take a tamarind which you should soak in water for 10 minutes, and then here I am taking 3 onions and 4 tomatoes. Here I just took all the ingredients and I cut it and I soaked the tamarind in water, and then here I am taking sambar powder, homemade sambar powder. If you want this recipe you can comment down, it's too easy to make. So this is homemade sambar powder. You can use ready made also. And then here I am taking a pan. In that you should put a little bit of oil and just heat the oil. After that I am putting the mustard and the cumin seeds. After putting it, just little bit stir it, and then here I am putting the red chilies, dried red chilies, and then the hing. Asfagano I am going to put it half tablespoons, and here I will just stir it, and then I will take curry leaves which I took 10 to 15 curry leaves, and here you should just stir it. After that you should put the onions which we sliced. You can see here I put the onions, and you should make it little bit golden. You can see here like this you should make just. And after that here I am going to put the vegetables, and if you want which vegetables you can use it. You can use bottle gourd, brinjal, and so many vegetables you can use, but here I am just using drumstick because this is drumstick sambar. So here I will just put the vegetables, and after stirring it for 2 minutes you should put tomatoes. You can see here, and here after tomatoes I just stirred it properly, and then after that here I am going to put water little bit. You can see here, just put the water and just stir it for 2 minutes. You can see here, and after stirring you should just leave it. You can see here I will just stir it properly. The water should be get boiled, and then you should cover the lid for 5 minutes. You can see here our vegetables have been cooked properly, just it have been cooked. And then here you should put the sambar powder, homemade sambar powder. After that the tamarind which we soaked in water. You can see here I will just put the sambar powder, and then 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. After that I am putting the tamarind water. You can see here I will just put the tamarind water. I will just remove the pulp and just put the water. After that here I will just stir it, and then here you should take cooked dal. You can see here cooked dal. Here I am using tur dal. You can see I just cooked it like simple dal, and I just put in it, and here you should mix it properly and cover the lid until it get cooked. And then here you can see our tasty drumstick sambar is ready. And then here I will just stir it once. It's too hot. And then here I will take little bit of coriander leaves, and I will pour in it, and I will just stir it. And then you should just stir it once with coriander leaves, and just off the flame. You can see here, and just leave it, and our sambar is ready. You can see here our tasty drumstick carrot tomato sambar is ready. You can enjoy this sambar with rice or with ragi mudde. If you want ragi mudde recipe, see in my channel. Thank you.